I woke up this early because I'm planning to go on a ride. And I'm planning to go for a ride because I got new equipments. And I got new equipments because I found some ways to make money. Money? How? Trading. It was time to choose what is the best for me. I chose to trade in Bannerghatta app. Yeah, it is one of the trusted applications for trading. I logged into it through Facebook. You can also log into it through Gmail. Let me show you something in my phone. For example, I believe that the value of rupees 700 is about to increase. And let me forecast. Yes, the value of 700 has increased. If in case you don't know how to use the Binomo app, there are also options for you to learn how to use the Binomo app. Also use the code below to double your money. For example, you invest 350, you get 700 bucks. So guys, download the Binomo app from the link given in the description, because if you download it through this link, you get 64,000 real money, which you can use it as a practice money to invest and see how it actually works. So once you get a catch of it, start investing your money wisely and get your profits. Now how do I withdraw those profits? Paytm. It's that simple. Alright, I'm just gonna take bath. Transition time.
Hey, no, wait.
You guys have a lot to see. So fast going there. Come, let's get into percussion. 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 Whatever the tapu tipu tipu effect. Come.
Okay, I hope I'm audible. So I've left now. It's like around what do I do? I don't know how many kilometers it is from here. So the sky is becoming slightly blue. The sun's about to rise. I think I'm kind of late because I will at least take 20 minutes to 30 minutes to reach that place, but it's already becoming bright. So all that I'll have to do is boom boom, five let's go. No way. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go. Alright people, we're almost there. Wow, it looks beautiful up there. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see what's right in front of me. Right behind this lorry. Fuck no! Oh my god, I did that. Yeah. So up there. I think my cheek line is going to change in a few days because of this helmet. is he coming with me? சரி வந்து தொலை. அடடா என்னத்துனா என்னடா வேணும் உங்களுக்கு? டேய், this is where I'm supposed to climb. Okay, we'll start.
வயசாயிடுச்சோ?
Yeah, I'm still half the way. I sat here for a time lapse because the fog is flowing down the hill more like a waterfall or something. It looks pretty, so I just thought let me see what it looks like in a time lapse. So a quick time lapse for 5 minutes. So I'm just sitting here. I think I'm going to be pretty disappointed because I expected a proper sunshine, sunrise and stuff, but it's completely foggy. I don't see anything. I can't even see the city. It is white. I'm done. Shouldn't have told that I'm gonna be disappointed because the sun is not gonna come out. It is just slapping me left, right and center for whatever I told. I regret, okay? I regret. Sorry, sun. I know, I should have had some patience. I can't even keep a straight face. Thanks for the lighting though. So out of everything I told you guys, I did not tell you guys about this place. This is in Bangalore, beautiful Bangalore, and the name of this area is called Bannerghatta. There is a huge forest in this area, but unfortunately we all are destroying it. So I'm just gonna explore them as soon as possible before they get destroyed completely. So I personally call this Bannerghatta Betta. I don't know what else name this betta has. Betta means hill in Kannada. It is not too far from the city. I'd say Silkboard is like 10 to 15 kilometers from here. Electronic City is very nearby. So this is not too much of outer or something. My home is like 30 minutes ride from here, 20 or 30 minutes, blah blah. So it's like fine. You can come here for a sunrise or sunset, chill here with your friends or chill alone like what I did. It's better you chill alone. But beware, there are a lot of monkeys here which I did not cover in my camera because today they did not show up. But whenever I come here, oh my god, that's an owl. I'm looking at an owl and the owl is looking straight at me. Hiya. I know it's not gonna fly away because it's pretty far. I see an owl. No, I'm not gonna show you guys. My camera is in here, so inside my bag I cannot take it out. Fine then. Oh, monkeys are down there. So beware of monkeys here. They snatch anything and everything you have. And that's it. Hello baby. How are you doing? Pocha. Phone mutta. Ichichu. Hi. Good girl. Charlie.